Hello, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I welcome you all to my lecture on information technology. Networking means connection of two or more devices is called networking. There are important four instruments: hub, bridge, switch, routers, which plays the important role in networking. Hub is a networking device. It broadcasts all broadcasts it does. Then we have bridge, network bridge. It works on layer 2, data link layer. Router works on network layer. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.